Happy New Year to you. I wish you all the best. A happy and prosperous 2026. Anyways, come cook my first meal of 2026 with me while I'm gonna try to take down some of the Christmas decor. I didn't get to all of them, but just some of them. So I will be cooking some chicken wings, ackee and saltfish. And you know what? I don't eat ackee, so I'll be doing some callaloo and some fried dumpling. So you know how me season up my chicken wings already, because I know you've been watching me for a while. So season up the chicken wings and leave it to marinate while I continue or begin to declutter and take down the Christmas something them. I usually like to do this the first week of January to just have a reset. How about you? Have you taken down your Christmas decorations as yet? Or did you put up any Christmas decorations, by the way? Let me know in the comments how you're doing with that. Now, after that, then I started cooking again. So did a little bit and then come back to the kitchen. So now I'm going to start my Ninja. Listen, this Ninja is so good. I love it. I use it a lot. The kids use it too if we are reheating something like fried dumplings, pizza, maybe fried or baked things, and it's so good for this purpose. So I'll be putting my chicken wings in there. I added some oil, olive oil, and some cornstarch. Just give it a little crispiness as we do that. And me don't need my flour already. If you don't know for fried dumpling, I did do a fried dumpling video before previously. So while my dumpling is frying, then I go ahead and I add my chicken wings to the Ninja grill. It's like an indoor grill. So for us, with island girl who live in Canada, we have the privilege or that luxury of having the nice sunshine weather to go outside and put the chicken on the grill. So this works perfect for winter time. So while my fried dumpling I one fry, this was my first time actually using the tin callaloo. Because usually summertime, we plant up my little things them round the back. But I saw it in the grocery store the other day and I said, let me try it out. And the ackee, I had this ackee in the freezer and I said, I can't make 2026 come and we still have this ackee in the freezer. So I had to cook it for my family because as I said, I don't eat ackee. Pick up a saltfish because this saltfish I got share for the ackee and the callaloo. And look at those chicken wings. Tell me how much you would eat. So now we're going to start cook up with ackee and we're going to start cook up with callaloo. So I did the saltfish in one and then I separated it. Leave a little for the ackee, leave a little for the callaloo. Because the ackee, as I said, is for the family, not me. And look at our first meal of the year. Tell me, how would you set up your plate? Tell me how much fried dumpling you want in the comments. Anyways, it's nice to see. See ya. Thanks for watching.